Hi everyone, so today we are going to make a paw. Here I have grabbed two colored quilling strips. One is white and the other is pink. The white is going to be in the center and the pink is going to be the outside of it. You can see I have just took a white one and cut it in half, and now I'm pasting it with the pink strip. Okay, now I'm going to make 3 more of such. There we have it, and now I'm just going to start rolling. I'll be rolling from the white strip anti-clockwise. Now just roll it. Now using a quilling board, I'm just going to measure it so that each of the circles are of same size. Here I have measured it and just going to stick the end. There I have it. Now I'm just going to shape this one a little, like just pinch it from both sides so it will look like a diamond. इसमें ज़्यादा pressure देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है because this is a tight coil, so it won't shape as similar as a loose coil. And now I'm just pushing it from the other side to make it look a little 3D. There, metaphor already ready. Now I'm just going to take a bigger one, make a bigger coil for the center of the paw. Just going to stick the end. I've done the same thing that I've did before. Now I'm just going to shape it. I'm trying to shape this into a triangle with a curvy bottom. Just going to apply some glue so it stays at its place. Now just let them dry for some time. Now once they are dried, we can paste them all together. And here is our quilling paw ready. Do this activity and share your photos with us.